To succeed in competitive examinations, it is essential to thoroughly understand the exam pattern and syllabus. Once the exam pattern and syllabus are clear, create a study plan that allows for adequate time to cover all the topics. Time management is crucial, so allocate sufficient time for each subject. And prioritize based on personal strengths and weaknesses. Consistent and regular study is key. Devote a few hours daily to study and revision. Make use of study material, such as textbooks, notes, and online resources to reinforce understanding. Additionally, solving previous year's question papers and mock tests helps in understanding the exam format and identifying areas for improvement. Seeking clarification on doubts and concepts is important. Engage with peers, teachers, or online forums to exchange ideas and gain insights. Utilize study groups to enhance learning and problem-solving skills. Maintain a healthy lifestyle with proper nutrition and sufficient rest. A balanced diet and regular physical activity contribute to improved concentration and mental alertness. Stay positive and manage stress effectively. Having a positive mindset and staying motivated through the process is vital for success. Practice relaxation techniques and time management strategies to stay calm and focused during the exam. By following these strategies and being dedicated and disciplined, success in competitive examinations can be achieved.